And on this Sankalpa day, we all assemble here on the bank of Ganga, which is purifying. Ganga is purifying and Hari Katha is also purifying. Such a good opportunity. We all assemble from all over the world. We heartily thanks all the devotees coming from all over the world to assemble and performing Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama in Shri Shri Keshavji Gaudiya Math under Shri IGVT. So please clap for yourselves. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming. And we're looking forward again to come next year with more of your friends and relatives. Yeah. Everyone should bring more than 25 people along with you. Then you get the mercy of Mayapur Dham, Shri Navdeep Dham. So on the bank of Ganga here, we sing Ganga is flowing, purifying. But who was bringing Ganga here? Shri Bhagirath. Bhagirath was on his chariot and Ganga Devi was falling. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Ganga Devi was falling. But at this spot, when Ganga Devi was flowing and she stopped here in Navdeep Dham, to a surprise, Bhagirath looked back and asked Ganga, "Oh Devi, you're supposed to follow me, going to meet Ganga Sagar." But Shri Ganga Devi requested Bhagirath, "I want to stay here until the appearance of my Prabhu, Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu takes place. I am going to stay for some days. And after observing Gaur Purnima, the appearance of my Prabhu, then I will go with you." So Ganga Devi stayed here. Today on the bank of Ganga Devi, we are going to take Sankalpa, also following Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama, preparing for appearance of Shri Mahaprabhu, Shri Gaur Purnima. Just opposite to this Ganga, across this Ganga is Shri Mayapur Dham, where Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he is the one who introduced Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama. He is the initiator of Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama. Prior to Srila Prabhupada, Shri Nityan Prabhu, along with Shri Jeev Goswami, written by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Navdeep Dham Mahatmya, who is the first one who introduced visiting all the holy places of Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, the pastime places of Mahaprabhu, is Shri Nityan Prabhu, with Shri Jeev Goswami. And how Shri Nityan Prabhu, with tears in his eyes, is describing the glories of Shri Gauradham to Shri Jeev Goswami. And this has all been encapsulated by Shri Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his book Navdeep Dham Mahatmya. And then Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he established Shri Mayapur, Shri Chaitanya Math in Mayapur, and he introduced Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama with lot of band party. There was lot of drums and band party to declare to everyone in the whole world the beauty of this Navdeep Dham Parikrama and the beauty of Shri Gaur Janam Bhumi, the birthplace of Mahaprabhu. Following the footsteps of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, one of his very intimate associates, Nitla Om Vishnupal Saptashar, Shri Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he installed Shri Radha Vinod Bihari in Shri Devanand Gaudiya Math. We just coming from there. And under guidance of Srila Prabhupada, Shri Param Gurudev also, he also, along with thousands and thousands of pilgrimage, he was performing Shri Navdeep Dham Parikrama. And the supporting to Shri Param Gurudev, three great acharyas, our three great Gurudevs, Shri Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Trikram Goswami Maharaj, following the footsteps of Param Gurudev and established the mood of Param Gurudev, staying in Shri Navdeep Dham, where the local people and there are many other sects, they claim that Shri Navdeep Dham is the birthplace of Mahaprabhu. Shri Param Gurudev, he was always very bold and fearless in his preaching, and we see how boldly he was preaching. So Srila Prabhupada, across the Ganges there in Mayapur, he established the mood of Bhaktivinoda Thakur that Mayapur is the birthplace of Mahaprabhu. But these people here in Navdeep Dham, they were claiming that no, Navdeep is the birthplace of Mahaprabhu. So Param Gurudev, to serve Srila Prabhupada, his Guru Maharaj, he came to Navdeep Dham and he established Devanand Gaudiya Math. and infuse his energy in these three acharyas, Keshavadhrita Vamanarupa, Keshavadhrita Narayanarupa, Keshavadhrita Trivikramarupa. Three great acharyas, infuse his energy in them, and under the guidance of Padma Gurudev, all these three acharyas, they spreaded the Navadvip Dham Parikrama, invited everyone from all over the world. Please come and attend Navadvip Dham Parikrama to seek the blessings of Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, to claim the blessing of Ganga Maharani, and should seek the blessings of all the associates of Mahaprabhu. How Srila Gurudev was visiting all the countries, Russia, Brazil, Mexico, America, Europe, and inviting everyone and literally begging everyone, please come, please come, please come. Every year one should come to Navadvip Dham Parikrama. No matter what happens, even you have to sell your belongings, sell that, but must come here in Navadvip Dham Parikrama, because this is a dham where one gets recharged with one bhakti and lot of shraddha. Without coming to Navadvip Dham, forget about getting entrance in Braj Dham. Not possible at all. So Gurudev was instructing, he was ordering, and he was also requesting. So in any way, please come to Navadvip Dham Parikrama. Gurudev said, if anyone come to Navadvip Dham Parikrama, must get entrance into Braj Mandal for attending Braj Dham Parikrama. So no matter what happens, one is supposed to come Navadvip Dham Parikrama. It's a humble request. Under the guidance of Srila Gurudev, all the sannyasis on the dais, they inviting you, requesting you to please come with all your relatives and friends to Navadvip Dham Parikrama again and again. Thank you so much. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu patitanam pavanebhyo darshanabhyo